Today's in this class we are going to solve the exercise part chapter number 2, that is the two companions. Companions means friends. About two friends, the two companions. Okay. Move on to the evaluate part. Reading. A part. Write T for true and F for false. Here are some statements, children. If the statement is according to that story, if it's true, we have to put down T. If it's false, we have to put down F. Okay, let's start. Two companions were sitting near a river. Are they sitting in a river? No, false. They are walking in the forest. Walking through a forest, not sitting in a river. So it is a false. The two companions saw a bear. What they saw in that forest? They saw bear or lion? Yes, they saw bear. So this is true. Both the companions could climb trees. They both climbed the tree? No, false. The one companion doesn't know how to climb the tree. So this statement is false. The bear did not hurt the companion lying on the ground. So one bear didn't hurt. Yes, true. Because the companion act like he was dead. ಆ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾನಿಯನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ತಾನು ಸತ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಬಿಯರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹರ್ಟನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಒನ್, ದ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾನಿಯನ್ ಹೂ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಬ್ ದ ಟ್ರೀ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್. ಯಾರು ಕ್ಲೈಂಬ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಗಿ ಟ್ರೀಯನ್ನು ಹತ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಂಪ್ಯಾನಿಯನನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಈಸ್ ಹಿ ಗುಡ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್? ನೋ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್. He is not a good friend. Move on to the arrange these sentences in the right order. Children, here they have given some sentences. According to the story, we have to put down the numbers here. Okay, so first one, two companions were walking through a forest. This is first one. They saw a bear. This is second one. One climbed a tree and hid himself. This is third one. Then the other fell on the ground and pretended to be dead. Fourth one. The bear sniffed the man lying on the ground and thinking he was dead, went away. This is the fifth one. The other companion climbed down from the tree. Sixth one. The bear told the man lying on the ground that those who in danger run away from their companions are bad people. So this is seventh one. Okay, yes. Move on to the C part. Answer these questions. There are two questions we are going to write down now. First question. What did the two companions see when walking through a forest? ಕಂಪ್ಯಾನಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು? ಆನ್ಸರ್, the two companions saw a bear when walking through a forest. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಬೇರನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕರಡಿಯನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, what did the companion who did not know how to climb trees do when he saw the bear? ಓಕೆ, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಕಂಪ್ಯಾನಿಯನ್ಗೆ ಟ್ರೀ ಹತ್ತಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಅವನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ? when the companion saw the bear, he did not know how to climb trees. ಬೇರನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣನೇ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ದಟ್ ಟ್ರೀಯನ್ನು ಹತ್ತಬೇಕು, ಕ್ಲೈಂಬ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಿ ಫೆಲ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಲೇ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಿಟೆಂಡ್, ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್, ಪ್ರಿಟೆಂಡ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಡೆಡ್. ಸತ್ತವರ ಹಾಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನು, ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. Move on to the language in use. A and an. These are the articles. ಇವಕ್ಕೆ articles ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. When beginning with the consonant sounds, ಯಾವುದು ಕಾನ್ಸನೆಂಟ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಎ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಓವೆಲ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಅವಾಗ ಆನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So vowel sounds, there are A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowel sounds. Okay. So move on to the exercise part. A part. Complete the sentences with A or an. First one. Jeev went to the market and bought dash orange. Here is O. Right? That is vowel sound. So what should we add? An orange and mango. Yum. Yum is a consonant sound. So a mango, an orange and a mango. Next, dash spider is in the web. Yes is a consonant. So what should we add? A spider is in the web. Third one, Anna wants to sing dash song. Again, yes, song, a song from the new film. Okay, yes. Fourth one, the hen sat on egg. E is a vowel sound. So an egg. Fifth one, we saw huge ship. H, her sounds consonant, so a huge shape. Move on to the next one. Circle the weather words in the grid. Here they have given one puzzle, children. We have to find out these words whichever in the box and we have to circle. They have given example sunny. Here they have circle it, right? And hot also they have given hot. Okay? Yes. So first one clear. C-L-E-A-R. Where it is? Here it goes. C-L-E-A-R. Clear. Okay. Next cloudy. C-L-O-U-D-Y. Cloudy. Okay. Next bright. Where is the bright? Find out. Yes. B-R-I-G-H-T. Bright. Next cool. C-O-O-L. Cool. Okay. And freezing. Freezing. Where is freezing? Yes, F-R-E-E-Z-I-N-G. Freezing. And the last one is, that is rainy. R-A-I-N-Y. Rainy. These are all weather words. C part, complete these sentences with words from the box. In the box they have given some words. According to that sentences, whichever suits, we have to fill the blanks. The words are bright, sunny, cloudy, dark clouds, thunder. So first one, the sky is clear, the day is sunny and bright. Sunny and bright. It will rain. There are there are cloudy, dark clouds in the sky. Dark clouds in the sky. When there are clouds in the sky, we call it again bright day. Bright day. When it rains, we can hear the sound of thunder. Sound of thunder. Pronunciation part, vowel sound in park and sun. So, bold are long vowel sounds. Whichever the highlight no, they are long sounds. For example, park, car, dark, bark. Here vowel sounds in the bold are short. There are short sounds. S-U-N sun, B-U-N bun, F-U-N fun, R-U-G rug, B-U-G bug, M-U-G mug. So next speaking part, they are talking with a question and answers. How is the weather today? Today weather ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ that girl, and boy is replying, it is bright and sunny today. Today bright ಮತ್ತೆ ತುಂಬಾ sunny ಇದೆ. Next, do you think it will rain? ನಿನಗೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಾ ಇವತ್ತು ರೈನ್ ಬರುತ್ತಂತ? I don't think so. There are no clouds in the sky. Maybe ಬರಲ್ಲ because sky ಅಲ್ಲಿ clouds ಇಲ್ಲ. Are you feeling cold? ನಿನಗೆ cold feel ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆನಾ? Yes, it is chilly today. ಹೌದು, ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾನೇ cold feel ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ because chill ಇದೆ, cold ಇದೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So this is the dialogues between two people. Okay? Here is answer these questions in a sentence each. Then put the sentence together. It will be description of the picture. Here they have given picture. About this picture they are asking the question. What does the picture show? So this picture shows flowers. Flowers. Okay. How many flowers do you see in the picture? Let's count, children. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 flowers in this picture. What are the colors of flowers? Yes, red and yellow. Red and yellow color flowers. Is it a pretty picture? Yes, it is a pretty picture. It is a pretty picture. Move on to the activity. Cross out the one thing that you do not need. So first one, on a rainy day. What we do not need. ಯಾವುದು ನಮಗೆ need ಇರಲ್ಲ? Scissor, raincoat, socks and umbrella. We don't need scissor. To brush your teeth, toothpaste, soap, toothbrush and basin. Yes, soap we don't need. To make a sandwich, bread, cheese, vegetables and milk. What we don't need? Yes, that is milk. Okay. So this is all your exercise part of chapter number 2, the two companions.